Hello everyone. Today we're gonna show you how to change the battery for a alarm. This is a smoke alarm in 1 minute. So simultaneously is the alarm began to periodically give an alarming sound every couple minutes, which is bothering. Per menu, it means the battery is low. So we can see that there's two lights in here. So this is just smoke alarm, very common. And then the first one flashes periodically, just means the power transfer correctly to the part. So first you see that twist on and off. So this is the access to that base and the housing. So we twist off. You can see there are two notches in here, two holes in here. So on, off, off, on, off. So now we took it off. Now we access to the battery housing. So once we open it, we see a yellow tab. So that's how we can easily get it out. As you can see in here, there's a pink notch in here, so it's under the battery. Don't forget, put it under when you try to put a new battery in. So let's verify our idea that battery is low. It's a standard 9 volts battery. So get a multimeter. Set it to DC, since battery is DC. Okay, we're ready. Okay, as you can see, the old battery, 8.9 volts DC. Our new battery, 9.8 volts, almost 1 volts higher. And then per the battery specification, we can see that, as you can see in here, it's a 9 volts battery. Okay, so the actual new one is a little higher than, so our measurement is a little higher. Meanwhile, the old one is lower with the 1 volts difference almost. So make sure the negative in here matches up with the negative of your alarm, and then push that pink knob under. So negative, negative, positive, positive. So 50-50 chance, you can't go wrong with that. So okay, if you don't change it, it still works, but meanwhile every couple minutes it gives a very sharp tone alarm sound, which is very bothering. So now we put it back, as you can see in here. So if you want to push to hush or push and hold to test, so I'm gonna skip that part because it's very loud. And then, as we said, put it back, twist on. Okay, you can put it back ready, and it's ready to work. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.